My broker says you're unethical. My broker says this is not a good product. My broker says you haven't been around in business a lot. My broker says I shouldn't give you this 600K and I should probably look at getting my initial 600K back. Bob, got it. Just out of curiosity, why do you think your broker said that? And then shut up.
Yeah.
Guys, you know what happened when he said that to the client? Because he called him back after they had already scheduled the Zoom with the CEO. Hey, before we have the Zoom, just out of curiosity, why do you think your broker said that? It's a pause for a couple seconds. You know what the client said? I'm sure you can figure it out. Well, because I took $600,000 out of my account, and I'm getting ready to take another $600,000 out of my account. Now that I think about it, he makes 3% on that money. So it's in his vested interest to not have it leave the account. I didn't even think about that.